guys, so I came on today and then I tried to use my fingerprint scanner and it's not working. So I did ring the doorbell so my kid could open the door. So I'm not sure what's going on. They thought somebody was trying to break in or something. Anyway, there's a software update that I need to do. So hopefully I did this update and it's going to be working. But I'm not sure why it will not allow me to open when the software is update needed. So hopefully the battery is not low. That means maybe the red light could be mean the battery is low. So let me try to troubleshoot this some more and then keep you guys updated. Alright, so since I did the update already and still not opening, so I'm going to remove the cover and then take out the battery and put some new one in there and see. So yeah, it seems like the battery was low. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.